Hi everyone! Good afternoon! This is Manay Gina and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video, pag-usapan natin si Janine Gutierrez. Kasi nga, napanood ko siya sa interview niya kay Casey After Hours at sobrang napahanga ako ng bonggang-bongga dito. Sobrang ang sarap niyang panoorin, chill lang. Kung last year sobrang nasaktan siya, pero ayan, ito naman na ngayon ang pumalit na sobrang happy si Janine. Meron siyang sinabi guys na ito yung ang ganda ng kanyang mindset. Panoorin natin guys.
I think I'm the type to really tama ka, go for something, give it my all, para kung hindi talaga, at least no regrets, I tried everything. If it comes to the point that I do have to move on na, wala na akong what is. It's funny because I'm so lucky with my friendships. I have the same barkada since grade 2. Yung ganon.
That's amazing.
Last year, I was really able to learn to really take care of myself and love myself. And one of my best friends was kind of going through a similar thing. And then she said, Nini, parang what I really learned is I've made myself my home. Parang stop looking for things outside of yourself. Parang get so comfortable with being alone that everything else is just a bonus.
Yeah.
And I really try to tell that to the younger women in my life. Na parang once you really prioritize yourself and take care of yourself, you'll also know what your worth is and what you should expect or what you should not tolerate from other people.
So ayan guys, napanood natin at grabe napahanga ako ha. Bibihira yung magkaroon ka ng mga kaibigan since grade 2 na until now, magkakaibigan pa rin sila. Sobrang grabe. Ibang-iba talaga si Janine Gutierrez. Dito mo makikita kung gaano siya kabait. Ang ganda ng kanyang mindset pagdating sa love. Na grabe talaga. Sobrang napahanga ako kay Janine Gutierrez. At ayun guys, abangan natin ang kanilang teleserye ni Jericho Rosales, yung The Accused. At I'm sure, ito, kaabang-abang ito. At alam kong maraming mga ekonen ang nag-aabang talaga dito. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And bye, be kind.